Now friends, when we started in the stock markets, we had to pay 0.5 to 0.7% of our total traded or invested capital as brokerage to some of the full-fledged brokers that existed. With the advent of discount brokers like Upstocks, we can carry out the same transactions completely brokerage free for delivery-based transactions and only have to pay when we do intraday or FNO. This, as you would figure out, would be worth lakhs of savings per year. Now, if you go ahead and open a completely free trading and demat account with Upstocks through the link provided in the pinned comment and also in the description of the video, you'll be entitled to join our Telegram and WhatsApp groups and also be given a free stock by Upstocks. Now, this, as you understand, is a wonderful opportunity to save a lot of brokerage and also join our WhatsApp and Telegram channels for free. So please hurry, this won't always last.
Now, having seen how you could go ahead and save lakhs of the amount that you pay out as brokerage every year, let's get back to the main purpose for this video. In this video, we'll be talking about a tiny, dirt cheap recently listed small cap where Ramesh Damani has bought 12,64,099 shares during the last quarter. This aggregates to a 1.10% stake in the company at the end of the June 2019 quarter and is also one of his biggest holdings. Please watch this video to know more about this stock. Now the company in question is Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers Limited, which is available at Rs 120.10 and the face value for it is 10. The symbol for it is GRSE. Now Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers Limited is an India-based shipbuilding company engaged in shipbuilding activities for the Indian Navy and the Indian Coast Guard. The company is integrated with in-house designing and ship and warship building capabilities and is also engaged in engineering and engine production activities. Now, post a torrid time after listing, this company has embarked on a beautiful uptrend. The market cap of the company is 1375.77 crores, which means that this company is a tiny small cap. The EPS of 8.65 translates into a price to earnings ratio of 13.88, which is largely in line with the industry PE of 12.75. The price to book ratio of 1.33 is also not massively expensive. One very strong factor for this company is the very high dividend yield of 5.79%. The promoter holding is also a very strong number at 74.50%. Also, none of the promoters' holding is pledged. Besides, this company also has a huge amount of cash on its books and also has a humongous order book which provides revenue visibility for the next many years. Now friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all other content that you see on our channel is intended only to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not already subscribed to our channel, please consider doing so.